What's up, guys? How y'all doing? We got right here a BattlBox. They kind of give up of giving us the mission number, so we're just gonna give up on that too. Kind of got wet a little bit. Maybe got lost somewhere, and they brought it to me anyways. But I opened it just to make sure everything okay. Looked like just the box got wet, so we're good. This month is going to be a big one. There you go. Do they give us a number right here? 114. There you go. Adventure delivered. Okay, BattlBox. Nice. I've been looking for one of these things in a long time. So as usual, what we're going to do is review it. We paid around $200 after taxes and everything. So I'm going to pull my phone and just scan every single item to see if it's a good deal, because it is a kind of like a mystery box, subscription box. We want to make sure and give a full honest review to see what we get. Was it worth it or not? So I'm gonna go to my search, and what I do, I press the camera, and this is nice. We're gonna unbox it here in a minute. Whoa, no barcode. Oh, there it is, a tiny one. Okay, we at, well, new one is $132. Somebody's selling the used one for $35. Probably used up filters, which is filters probably really expensive. Okay, $100 all day, $35. Okay, there's two models. 101 is 100 and 100 is $60. I know. I guess we probably can safely call it $100. The stickers are kind of tricky. Okay, this is definitely a keeper. So there you go. There is the mask. I'll pull it all the way out just to see what it looks like. Beautiful. So the filters go real in here. Wow. And I do like how there's a full face mask protector, and there's the filters. Very cool. Very simple. Obviously there's instructions how to set it up. Very cool. I've been wanting one. I'm glad I did not buy it. Just got one right here. So let's call it as $59. I know it is $100, but unfortunately on Amazon it's let's see, $59 plus. Unfortunately on Amazon is a lot cheaper than $100. So stick and shoot. What is that? Adhesive plater targets. Okay, let's see if it's on Amazon. Sounds like really cheap. Okay, $11. Okay, 59 plus 11 plus 11. Okay, we had $70. Let's see what else we can find. Ruck and River. Cannot find what is this. Ruck and River, big camping brand. See what's inside. Okay, ooh, it's gonna be a knife. Looks like a knife to me. Let's see. Never heard of that brand before, but hopefully this is an G10 handle and not a stainless steel materials. Okay, there you go. There's a signature. Ruck and River, bottom lock. Oh, wow! So surprisingly, I love it. Very easy to flick it. Very smooth. There's a multiple way to open it. High quality, and bag and everything. Okay, Ruck and River knife. That's why I need to type it in real quick. And it's probably, that's the only one they have. So Ruck and River knife is actually $100 as well. Wow, we're at $170 already, but it is on a BattlBox, which is probably exclusive. What I'm curious is what material it is made out of, because if it's some cheap materials, I don't know if I want to pay $100. Okay, blade materials, K110 steel. Never heard of that. Black canvas America. I guess the handle materials is pretty nice. So maybe it's a decent knife. $100. Okay, we have right here bottle, blaze blaster. Okay, let's just open this one just to figure it out what's inside, because I cannot figure this out. Oh, hopefully they don't puncture it. Oh, what is this? So there's some kind of net, bottle blaster, target, cup. Oh wow, seriously? This is like a water sprayer out of the bottle. Attach, inflate, engage, boom. Anyways, this is very strange. Okay, continue. Let's just pretend that product doesn't even exist there. Okay, what is this? Not a life safety divot. Okay, let's open it. Feels like aluminum. Okay. Oh, nice. This is a extra large grappling hook retriever tool. It is not what they say, like whoa, now we have a little capsule in there too. It is not a climbing grappling hook, but it is a retrieval tool. So what we do is plug it in right here, and now we can go and retrieve, like throw it with something and retrieve the keys, or retrieve the rope, whatever we dropped, a backpack. It's pretty cool, unique. I have seen it miniature. Now they have made out of aluminum a really big one. What would you use it for? So it goes like this, boom. And now we have a retrieval grappling hook with the little spikes right here. Interesting. Okay, we have right here a miniature bottle opener, pry bar. Cool. Griffin. This is what it looks like. It's probably going to be like $12. Is there a barcode there can scan? Not even a barcode. So let's try to take a picture of it. Let's see if it come up. I'd call it, this is like $12. Let's see. Okay, no way. This is much more expensive. This is $30, they say. Maybe Amazon a bit cheaper. Let's go. Griffin. Maybe it's a good brand. Okay, that's a $40. Okay, this is nice. We'll take it. So let's see. Let's go to my 70 plus that $100 knife plus let's say $30. Wow, we are $200, and we have a really big item. Last one, and let's see what they're talking about. Ooh, bar and bones. What? Okay, there's some kind of, let's see. Camping pot. Let's open it up. Well taped. It's a little bit heavy, by the way. Okay. So I'm assuming this is going to be camping pot. Probably base camping pot, or like pen, or even like a camper. Okay, so just plug it in, and right here I have to like screw it on. I don't know. So this is probably perfect for campers, or like if you go camping with a SUV or truck. That makes sense, but I would not be bringing with me that giant let's see, I finish it, giant pen hiking, that's for sure. It's nice, it's very heavy. It feels like a half a pound to a pound easily. Okay, well, we are $200. That's the last item I'm going to scan today. Let's see what they asking it for. $50. Okay, then that's not bad. We have those bottle blasters. You know, I'm not super happy about that knife. I don't know nothing about it. Kind of like a secondary brand, unknown brand. They probably got a really good deal by buying bulk from this. Ruck and River. So we have right here $250 worth of stuff. I'm not super happy about this box because a whole bunch of off-brand stuff, no name brand stuff. Like I would like to get a Spyderco Corsair, $100 Corsair, Sierra. I never heard of a Ruck and River. Like they probably got a really good deal buying it in bulk. They probably paid like $30-40 for like thousands of them. Depends how many bottle boxes they can ship out. But yeah, overall they kind of also stopped giving us the prices, but at least they given us like explanation what it is. So it's like bottle blaster target cup. So interesting. I guess it's like a spray bottle to spray something off. It's kind of unique, but I don't know, it's to me worth nothing. It's just a little bit of plastic. So kind of nice pen over here for camping with the truck. I really love that. Honestly, because we got that, I'm really happy about this subscription box, bottle box. But that knife, they say $100, but it's easy for them to price it whenever it is exclusive. The materials is pretty good. K110 steel flood green blade. I never heard of it. I don't know if it was like D2, like I don't know, M290 and go up over there, but I never heard of that steel. Hopefully it's a good one. But regardless, so there's like more advertisements. Big surprise with this little like pocket clip pry bar. That's kind of cool. $30. I thought it'd be less. Kind of like it. Also I do like this retrieval tool. They used to be miniature, now they created the big ones, and that's what I like about mystery boxes, that we get some unique items that I don't expect getting. I just wish they would give us a brand name knives. It is a high quality knives. I just never heard of this person. So let me know in comments below. Is it a good, decent knife? Will I be able to sell it on eBay for like $90, or nobody cares about it? It looks high quality. The handle, the way it's made, super smooth. But I just never heard. I wish they would put in another battery died. I wish they would put in much better knives in here. But anyways, stay tuned for other subscription boxes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.